Hi, my name's Graham Frame and I am the founder of Thinking into Reality, and I started this program to help people. And that may sound corny, but it's true. This program is designed to help you develop materially, mentally and spiritually. It's not going to make you rich overnight, but it will build you an ever-increasing income, regardless of your skill, your financial status now, your ability, whatever else. It will build you an income. But you know, of the literally billions of people that are online trying to make money, a tiny percentage actually get into profit. Over 90% lose money when they're desperately trying to make money. A lot of people have taken a lot of years to get into a really bad financial situation, and they want to be out of that situation like that, and that's natural. But because of that desire to find a quick fix, most people fall into the trap of getting into something that really does the opposite of what they are looking for. It costs them money rather than generates money for them. And so we see people that are chasing rainbows all the time, looking for that pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, and they're skipping from one opportunity to another and never making any headway. And a lot of the problem is caused by the way that people are promoting things. They're saying, oh, you don't need to do anything. We're going to make this money. You're going to make that money. It's all here, you know. And they promise the world and deliver next to nothing. Embarking on a journey towards financial freedom isn't about overnight success. I'm sorry to tell you that, but it's true. If you want to change your financial future, you've got to start now in something that is going to be here for a long time. We've been here now 5.5 years, not as Thinking into Reality. We've only had the Thinking into Reality website for, 2 or 3 years maybe. But we've been here over 5.5 years. Well over, and we intend to be here for generations to come, not just for a few more years or whatever. So it's all about building a sustainable business, and that takes time. So I can't promise you overnight wealth, and I can't promise to fix your financial problems with the blink of an eye or the wave of a magic wand. It's not going to happen for you. But what I can promise is that when you join Thinking into Reality, you will only pay out of pocket one time, and that we will help you improve your life mentally, materially and spiritually, so that by this time next year, you'll be filled with gratitude for getting started today. Because it's only a one-time out-of-pocket payment, you can, of course, if you want, still go chasing after those rainbows. But when that pot of gold doesn't materialize, you'll have something to fall back on, and you'll know that your future is assured anyway, because that's what we're here to do, provide you with a secure future. Now, to get full benefit straight away, we have 3 levels, and there's a bronze, a silver and a gold. And to get the top benefits straight away, the best training, the best resources, get into a faster mode of income. I'm not saying it's going to be quick, it's still not overnight, but it's faster than the others if you're in all 3 plans. And to get into bronze, silver and gold is a one-time $260. And if you take action within 7 days of registration, we give you a 20% discount, and that drops it down to $208. But if that is too much for you, you can get involved in just bronze and silver, and that is a one-time $110. Once again, if you take action within the first 7 days, we give you a 10% discount, and that drops it down to $99 for bronze and silver membership. And that's a little bit faster than just bronze, not as fast as bronze, silver and gold. And of course, the gold training is the elite level of training, if you like, where we help you more to get where you want to go faster. Silver, I mean, all the trainings are good. All the trainings are helpful, provided you use them. But if $99 or $110 is still out of your budget, you can get started for just $30 for bronze membership only. And that bronze membership will attract profit shares, and those profit shares will pay for your renewal of the bronze membership, getting you more trainings every month and availing you to profit shares every month. And it will also, as your profit shares build, pay you into the silver level. It'll just take longer. And the silver level will eventually pay you into the gold level. It'll just take longer. Okay? But it'll all happen for you. We don't leave anybody behind. The gold level is obviously the most precious training, and it creates much greater income. But you have to choose where you want to start. We value you equally, no matter what level you're getting started at. And although earning from our profit share is not dependent on referring others, we do encourage everybody to play their part by helping others to benefit from what we offer. Every business needs to grow to be sustainable. A business that doesn't grow doesn't last. So we have to grow, and the more people that help us grow, the more quickly everybody will benefit through our profit sharing. And so those that help us grow, we make sure that they earn much more and much faster than those who do nothing. If you refer just 3 people, it will qualify you for life, for everything. You have everything that we can offer you, that is subject to qualification is there. It's done and dusted. And that's 3 people at any level. 3 people at just the bronze level is fine. And there's no time limit on doing it. You can do it all in a day, or you can take 3 years. It's up to you. But 3 referrals get you that qualification for a lifetime. My advice is to do it as quickly as you can. My advice is to get to gold as quickly as you can, because that is where you get better training, you get higher level of training, you get more income. As an example, if you've referred somebody that earns $40 in the bronze level, you would earn a matching $40, the same as their profit share. If you refer somebody that's in the silver level and they earn $40, you would earn $80. You would earn double their profit share. And if you refer somebody in the gold level that earns $40, you would earn $400. You would earn 10 times their profit share. Gold level is where you want to be and where you want to get your people to. If you don't refer anybody, of course, it just depends on your own income potential from the profit share, and you can earn to around about $5,000 a month in time. Once again, we're not a get-rich-quick thing. It's going to take time to build, and it's going to build slowly and gradually. Okay? So that's what I can promise you, is we're going to be here for you as long as you need us, and longer. We're going to be here for your children and your grandchildren, and you can pass the benefits on to those children, grandchildren. You can help anybody that you choose. It can be a spouse, your mother, your father, your uncle, your auntie, your sister, your brother, of course, your children. Everybody is welcomed with open arms. If you introduce somebody that is under 18 years of age, they will not be able to make a withdrawal until they are 18, but they can build and generate income. Okay? We're going to be here for you. We're going to be here for your family. Our objective is to help you find peace of mind, health, and financial stability from a one-time payment and from helping a few other people. God bless.